Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find these videos to be helpful, please like and consider subscribing for more content. If you already subscribed, thanks for it. In this video, we are going to learn one more common mistake, or we can say the loopholes in Go language by which we may have a wrong result. So what is the problem? If you see the problem here, I run this program, we have the false result. What I'm checking here with the function of odd, that the number which I'm providing in this function, it is odd or not. So I'm passing here -1. So -1 is a odd number. In other languages, if I will check this, it will return true. But here you see that it is returning a false. It's saying that this -1 is not a odd number. But if I remove this by the minus and I make it positive number, then it's so true. You see? So it should true. So for minus, the result is wrong. But if you test this program in other languages, then you will have a true. Here we have a false. So according to Go language, this -1 is not a odd number. So it's a mistake, but how we can achieve the same thing? So what we have to do, we have to change in a coding like this. I show you here, I comment it here, and now I show you the one more thing by which you can achieve the same result. If I say not equal to 0 like this, now it will return true. You see? So if I change the condition and I say if this is not equal to 0, that is odd, it is working fine. But if I say it is equal to 1, then it is not working fine. That is a problem. One more way you can achieve this thing by using the AND operator, bitwise AND operator. You can say the return n with 1 equal to 1 like this. If you write like this, you will achieve the same result. You see, true. So I can test on other number also. If I say 5, true, and if I say 4, false. So it is working perfectly. So we can use this bitwise AND operator, we can use this not equal to 0 condition, but this condition equal to 1 is not working on negative number. So that is a problem in Go language, and we may do some mistake if we are doing some commercial applications. So that is the main point to understand. I think you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share my video, like my video, and consider my channel to be subscribed. And thank you for watching this video.